We're going to do that one. We're going to go with the first chest I open. That's the type of ammo I have to play with. All right, we're going backwards. That's okay. All right, one chest, one ammo type. Mobility's in play. Everything else is in play. I can only use that one ammo type though. Okay, we're going left side. Left side. Oh, shotgun. Oh man, I can use snowballs. Shotgun it is. Oof, this one might be tough. Excuse me. Unless I can find some more shotguns. But again, at least I have mobility. Like that. Yep. Shockwaves. I love you. Nope, I can only use shotgun ammo. I could probably hire a bot. Shotgun! It'll make it a little easier if I can, like, switch between all my shotgun types. Oh, it's gotta be below me, huh? Okay. I still have to complete that stupid quest where I bring that gift to someone. Okay. Nope. Oop, person. Person. Get it. All right, I got shotguns. Lots of options. Oh, that's nice too. Ooh, that might be a guy I can bring that gift to. Wait, is it? No, that's a boss. Oh, there's this person over here who I was going to hire. I can bring him the gift. Yes, let's go. Come on. Hopefully I can get there. Where'd he go? There he is. Yes. Oh, we were emoting together. That was pretty cool. Okay, mobility. More health. Alright, I like the trip shotgun. I think I'm gonna forego the health for now, and I'm just gonna take lots of mobility, because this is gonna have to be like escape fest. No. I don't think I want to hire you. Why can't I bust through that? Ammo box. There we go, more shockwaves. Nice. Okay, we got our kill, at least one. Now we just have to basically survive. Oof, that's a long ways. That's okay. We're going quiet. No lots of noise. The exact loot? No, we do the, oh my word. That's the loot game, too. I can take the loot from the one chest. But we do the one chest gun game. Ugh. Crap. Where you basically, you can use that ammo. It's single ammo type. So that's what I got. I got single, regardless, we're going with that one for now. Single ammo type. That guy there, oh no, he's got the, yep. I don't think I want to mess with that guy. He's got the medallion. That's bad news for me. With just a shotgun, I'm gonna get wrecked. I've already got the shotgun. I've already got a couple shotguns. That guy's probably coming this way is my guess. So we're gonna sneak over here. Get out of his way. And just chill out here for now. See where Storm goes. See, I told you. Oh no, I fell. Yes, I got him! Woo woo! Let's go! Oh my word, I had 22 health left. Medallion's down, baby. Take that. Should I take the medallion? No way, it's gonna give me away. Nope, ain't gonna happen. But that was really, really satisfying. That made me exceedingly happy. Oh, another one coming. Yes! Woo! Oh, yeah, okay. Mm-hmm. I got some shotguns, baby. Let's go! I'm gonna stay with the shotguns I have. This sucker's killing everyone. It's a beautiful thing. That guy had no clue where I was. That was awesome. Okay. Jeez, I still have a long ways to go. We're just running sideways. Yeah, loot swap game next time. Yeah. I got you. That's what I was thinking too. So here's how I usually run it. Hey. Uh-oh. Here we go. We got another one here. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Loot game is you get one chest to open, and then you can actually... all the rest of the loot has to come off of people. You don't necessarily have to swap it out. But you can't open chests. You can't pick anything up off the ground. It's got to come from killing someone. Like all that stuff over there would not be... Oh, I just saw a guy running over there. Would not be an option because I would not have killed it, or I would not have killed that guy. So as much as I want all that stuff, and all that stuff over there, look at all that stuff. It's not an option because I didn't get the kill. Oh man, there's people booking all over the place there. We're going up on the roof. Can I get there? Yes! What a jump. Man, that guy's got hops. It's like Dub's IRL right there. Did you see those hops? Mm-hmm. That's it. Ow! Ow. I need some health. Badly. Oof. Man, that sniper hurt. What's that thing? What the heck is that thing? I've never seen that before. Dang it. That thing is no bueno. What do we got? 11 left. I've almost got the top 10. Oh, dang. That guy's on. They're all on top there. Oops, nope. And check it. Oh, that guy had me down to 22 health. Oh my word. Yeah, for sure. Okay. We're out of zone, but we're okay. We're coming back. We're coming back. And I'm leaving that whole crazy area away. That was nutty. Going up top here. Oh, top 6. Let's go! I'm totally gonna get sniped in the head here. These guys are coming for me. Although I think they were busy fighting each other. Alright, where's Storm going? Oh, I got a ways. We're gonna wait and hope those guys kill each other. Is there a gas station still? No. Noi. That's Australian for no. Okay, faster car or more health? I think faster. Ugh. Gotta be kidding me. I mean, I guess guardrails are designed to actually stop cars, but there's a guy right in front of me. We're not going for him. Top 5, yes! Yes! So shotguns sucked at the beginning, but I feel like this is where they could actually be okay with the close range game. This guy flying in on me right now. Nope, stupid. Oh. Smash. Oh, smash. Got him. Get the crown. Oh, I don't have any meds. Dang it. Ooh, but there's a gold shotgun and a purple shotgun. Ow, ow. Oh, fourth place. That was great. I needed to save some meds. I had too much mobility. There were too many guns. That was amazing. So close. I know. I know. It was great.